I may have some good news about Insta360 X6 because it seems like this camera is on the horizon. According to the recent reports, the Insta360 X6 has just passed the certification of United States FCC, and it means that camera is much closer than we thought. The thing that camera has passed the certification FCC means that majority of development and testing of this camera was already done, and now it's just paving to marketing release. According to the rumors, the launch could be expected around between August and September. What the consumers could expect from the new Insta360 X6? Because if you take a look at the Insta360 X5, it already looks like the perfect 360 camera. But there are many gaps that consumers would like to be closed. So let's take a look at Luna Ultra and we will understand what the features might come in Insta360 X6. First of all, it's a long anticipated 10-bit color. Yes, finally Insta360 camera will get 10-bit color. It means that the colors in general will be much smoother and much better. And for the color grading, you'll be able to use a true eye lock on Insta360 X6. The second one is completely upgraded chip, much faster performance. And what does that mean? Yes, the camera will allow us to shoot in 8K 60 FPS. Currently, Insta360 X5 only allows us to shoot in 8K 30 FPS. And if you want to use it for the slow motion while filming in 360 mode, there are limitations. So we definitely will expect 8K 60 FPS in the new camera. And speaking of the sensor, it's not yet clear if the sensor will be upgraded to 1 inch or the size of the sensor will remain pretty much the same, 1/1.28 inch sensor. The thing is that once the sensor is upgraded, the entire camera body will need to be bigger, and actually the lenses will need to be bigger, and it will heavily affect all the accessories that you can purchase for the Insta360 X6. So in general, the upgrade of the sensor only makes sense in order to improve the low light performance. But with larger sensor, it will be also increase significantly the distance, the focal distance of how you can use this camera. And there are also pros and cons, and consumers are divided between those who would like to have the improvements in the low light condition and from those who would like the improvements in the focal distance. And just drop the comments below what would you expect the most from Insta360 X6. Upgraded sensor, better performance, 10-bit color, maybe better low light condition or something else. According to the significant spec upgrade on the Insta360 X6, it is also not clear if the battery size will remain the same or not. It would be cool if the Insta360 would keep the same battery size for the X6 because of many people who purchase this extra ultra battery for Insta360 X6 that allow to film even 10-20% more. But we know that Insta360 X6 tend to build the new accessories for their new cameras, and these new accessories always help to use the cameras even like for 200% capabilities. So we might expect that Insta360 X6 will be slightly bigger and will come with the new accessories that will also expand the creativity and possibilities of the X6. But until Insta360 X6 is released, I really enjoy using of Insta360 Luna Ultra, which is excellent camera. Of course, this is not action camera and it's not gonna replace this 360 camera for you, but still this is the best cinematic camera that we can get at the moment on the market. And the main question is about the price. What should we expect about the price? Because as we saw, the recently launched GoPro Mission 1 Pro has shifted the price for the action camera significantly. Should we expect also the significant price rise for the Insta360 X6, or will it remain the same as for Insta360 X5? My understanding, the prices will go up because of the components price, and also taking into account that Insta360 X6 potentially will have built-in memory that will save you a buck for purchasing SD card. It will also might increase the price over $600 for Insta360 X6. This is just a speculation. I don't have any clear information about it, but this is just a logical way what could happen to the price for the Insta360 X6. But in general, I know that many consumers are waiting for the Insta360 X6. There are a lot of questions why to launch the camera in August, September, because of this is after vacation season. Well, still a lot of creators are using exactly this time because the destinations are not so overcrowded and not so over tourist after the summer, and the prices are best for the traveling. By the way, just another indication about why Insta360 X6 could be launched soon, it is that exactly after FCC certification passed for Insta360 X4 and X5, it was just a few months after we got the information that those cameras will be released officially. So guys, I really hope that this information was useful for you. Just don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and see you soon on the next one. Cheers. Bye.